into the idea, the collective idea of dying and death. And it disturbs our development. You can't place your sense of confidence in abundant life, everlasting life, ongoing life if you're haunted by the idea of dying. As the black minister used to talk about, everybody wants to go to heaven, but don't nobody want to die. Well, the proposition of getting to heaven is not by death. Heaven is within you. It is understanding who you are, what you are, and where you are. Very, very, very important. That is the motif, the central theme of why a human being should study.